What's going on, guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix X/Twitter not working right now today because there are some issues with it and there are a few ways which you could go ahead and try to fix it. So I'll explain to you everything you need to know. Now, if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now, how do you go ahead and fix X/Twitter not working? Now, there are a few things that you could go ahead and do. So the first thing that I would recommend you do is basically trying to restart the app and make sure that it is fully updated. So go ahead and do that. If that doesn't work, what I would also recommend you do is try going on the internet version of X or a desktop, a different device. You could try that. And then another version which you could go ahead and do is try to go ahead and basically offload the app, and also try to go to switch your internet. Like if you're on Wi-Fi, go on your cellular data. If you're on cellular data, go to your Wi-Fi. Those are some ways that you could fix it. If none of that works, what I would recommend you do is just go ahead and wait it out. And you could also check Down Detector, and eventually it should be fixed. Hopefully within a few hours. I'm sure X is working on getting this fixed /Twitter. So if this video did help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel. And yeah, that is about it.